This is a quick video for companies that are doing any type of project management and they require to capture screen or a proof of execution. As an example, in our company, when we are working on client projects, whenever the developer is claiming that he finished a task and it's ready for QA, he will record a short video of 15 to 30 seconds that will show what he did and the result of the code. So the QA person will know what to test properly and obviously to see that it was actually done. I can also tell you that 50% of the times when developers are claiming that they finished a task, they will find during the short video that they are recording, they will find that they made a mistake and they will fix it. So it's also saving time for the back and forth between the developer and the QA. So it's awesome. Before the release that Zoho released not too long ago, we had to record the video using Snagit, upload the video, and then share the link in the task. Right now, Zoho released a beautiful update that I will show you in a second for WorkDrive that is allowing you to record the screen and share it. So this is how we do it. So let's say that you have this task, let's say animation completed, okay? And the developer just finished it. Okay, so he will put it, for example, in review, which means the QA is supposed to review it. He will go to the project folder, click on new, and then click on recording new, and then screen recording. Okay, you're going to share the screen that you are on. So let's say that this screen, then I will go to start recording, and now I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, you click here, and when you click here, the blueprint kicks in. Whatever I need to show in this specific example, I will go back and stop recording, okay? Whenever I do that, I will click on upload, and then it will be automatically here. Next, what we're doing, or if it's a small project, we just add a link to the folder, and if it's a bigger project, we're just clicking here, clicking on share, copying the link, pasting it in the comments, video of the solution, okay, and I add a comment, and that's it, okay? So I think what Zoho just released, basically this ability to have screen recording, it's saving time. And I think it's also great because now everything really is in one system and I don't need to use external tools such as Snagit, which is about $150 per developer, and we have 10 of them. So it's $1,500 every year for a tool that we don't need anymore. Awesome. Thank you very much, guys, for seeing this video. If you liked it, thumbs up is always appreciated. And you can shoot down in the comments below things that you'd like us to do videos on.